Hi guys! How to create Roblox account. Now, launch the Roblox app on your phone, tablet, or computer, or visit the official Roblox website in your browser. This first step is easy, but using the wrong website can get you hacked, so stay sharp. Click the green sign up button on the main welcome screen. That's where the magic begins. Here is a secret. Don't click login by accident, or you'll be stuck guessing someone else's password. Fill in your birthday first, then create a unique username. Never use your real name for safety, and set a secure password that's at least 8 characters long. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols, or you risk getting locked out later. Select your gender. This is optional, so you can skip it. Then, complete the quick security puzzle or CAPTCHA if prompted. This step proves you are a real person, and skipping it means no account for you. Click the final green sign up button at the bottom of the form. And just like that, you are in. Keep watching because in my next video, I'll show you how to customize your avatar and add your first game for free.